Muda Mura Muri comes to us from the Toyota production system and is designed to help us identify and eliminate the waste in our existing systems. Waste equates to a loss of time, money, and enthusiasm, and it's important that leaders make time to understand the waste in their systems. The Muda Mura Muri analysis is best conducted by a leadership team after they have solicited feedback from a larger group of stakeholders or employees. I recommend using the plus delta tool for this task. This process can take some time to complete, as the leadership team will need to review stakeholder feedback and critically analyze their systems, so plan for a longer meeting or multiple meetings over a short period of time to complete the task thoughtfully. Let's take a look at the template. This template is relatively straightforward, featuring 3 boxes, one for each stage. First, your team should identify and discuss the Muda, or processes that do not add value to your organization. Unnecessary processes make it difficult for stakeholders to fully engage with your organization, so we should identify and work to eliminate those. Next, your team should examine Mura, or unevenness in service delivery. Do you have teams within your organization that are more successful and efficient than others? Do certain stakeholders experience your system differently, with some having an easier time and others struggling to engage? Again, your team should think critically here and work to eliminate unevenness. Finally, you should review the various tasks that your organization completes and identify the Muri, or tasks that create unnecessary burden. Unnecessary tasks gum up the whole system and slow your continuous improvement progress. Ask yourself, is this form really necessary? Does this task really add value? What would our systems look like without these things? Would anything really change? In summary, the Muda Mura Muri process is a great way to thoughtfully eliminate waste in your system. By strategically removing processes that don't add value, rectifying unevenness in service delivery, and restructuring tasks that create burden, you can create a healthier ecosystem for all stakeholders as they work towards your desired goals and outcomes. Consider including a Muda Mura Muri analysis as part of your next strategic planning cycle.